brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 12th of June 2017. LME aluminium settled at $1,907, marginally increasing by 0.24% on Friday. Prices are expected to decline further to the range of $1,870 to $1,920 per ton as demand is decreasing due to cyclical dynamics. The potential slowdown in China's aluminium demand is expected as China's interest rates have increased to the highest level in 2 years, affecting demand for the industrial metals. Amidst the high interest rates, car sales in China showed decreasing trend in the month of April as the total vehicle sales were 2.2% lower when compared to April 2016. The falling prices of aluminium are also a result of lowering coal prices, which dropped from $300 to $2,000 per ton. According to China's Non-Ferrous Metals Industry Association, China produced 10.97 million tons of refined aluminium in first quarter of 2017, increasing 10% year-on-year. The country's total aluminium stock at the end of April was more than 1.2 million tons. China's export of unwrought aluminium and aluminium products in May increased by 9.5% year-on-year to 460,000 metric tons. China is increasing exports of manufactured and semi-finished aluminium products to Asia, reducing demand for ingots. The aluminium shipments normally go through the Jebel Ali port in UAE. But as the port is closed for the Qatar shipments, the movement of metal is affected as the aluminium is transferred onto larger vessels and shipped to customers in Asia, Europe and the United States via this route. Hindustan Zinc has kept zinc prices unchanged today. Special high-grade SHG continues to be priced at Rs 1,84,800 rupees per metric ton at the Tarapur stock point. Hindustan Zinc has increased lead prices by Rs 800 per metric ton. Lead of 99.99% concentration is now priced at Rs 1,63,200 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,62,400 rupees per metric ton on 8 June 2017 at the Tarapur stock point. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from the Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,300 per ton, while fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 21,800 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh were currently quoted at Rs 27,050 per ton, while at Raipur and Muzaffarnagar the offers are recorded at Rs 24,000 and Rs 26,100 per ton. It is expected that stockists will not be purchasing fresh stock until the implementation of GST, which could cause prices to remain range-bound. In international offers, US origin cast iron scrap is being offered at $320 per ton CIF Nhava Sheva. Chinese origin aluminum ingots and foils are being offered at $2,004 per ton and $2,460 per ton on FOB basis, respectively. Ukraine origin aluminium 6063 is being offered at $1,765 per ton. Thank you for watching. Join us again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.